We're gonna go. We gotta lay down, belly down upstream. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Belly down. Go. Austin, you.
We're on our way across the road to the McCloud Market. Most of our guests don't even know it's there.
The McCloud grocery store is awesome. It's got great fruit and vegetables. Everything is fresh, and they are very helpful there. So we're on our way to the grocery store.
And I would say if you never had to ever leave town, they pretty much have everything that you need to survive food-wise. A few weeks ago we got a notice from the McCloud Service District regarding the water, and they said there's going to be some state officials coming onto the property and testing about 10 of the outdoor water faucets to make sure they don't have contaminants in it. So they arrived today and they're testing the water. So hopefully we pass, because the water comes from a spring just up the hill and it's supposedly extremely clean. You can drink right from the faucet. So hopefully they give us a pass with flying colors. Hello. Oh, Ed, you guys are testing the water?
Yeah, that's correct.
Cool. And have you been to other places in town?
We just started this morning. We've been to a few, but...
And everyone pass, or you don't know until you send it in?
Well, no, we haven't checked too much stuff yet, but we're imagining everyone will pass. We're just seeing if there's any lead, so... Awesome.
Yeah, that's good for us, huh?
Yeah, you don't want lead in your water, so...
I'm very concerned about the water I put in my body.
Yeah,
Yeah.
everyone should.
And McCloud is awesome, so hopefully it's true that it's good water.
Yeah, it should be. I mean, yeah, we'll see.
All right, cool. Just shout if you guys need anything.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
So the guy that does the internet and Wi-Fi for us, I don't know if he went forwards or backwards, but he went straight over the power pole, knocking down the electrical and the water, and then shutting down the water and electric for most of the circle. So Anthony and Stephen are rushing to dig a new hole and wire everything up again. Luckily we got the new backhoe, which does a great job.
Use that. Yeah. You want me to grab that?
Yeah. It's BB.
Oh yeah, I saw you had
Yeah.
that.
Like,
Or
yeah.
something.
And then, yeah, grab that. If you want to go back there, I'll grab the pole and we'll grab the auger.
I've never been in a place on earth that has such erratic weather. Yesterday it was like 92, we were running the AC all day, hot inside the camper, and today it's like 65. So I guess most of you know we're building a little boutique hotel in Mexico, and I am a bit of an artist. I've never really sold my art, but we're building a bunch of rentals and a house for us. So instead of paying for the art, I'm doing the art ourselves to hang on the walls, and I'm trying to keep it theme of Southern Baja with animals from the area. So I just completed this one yesterday. It's a whale shark. I just did this in the back office. It's on plywood with a 1x1 frame at the back, easier for transporting versus canvas, and it doesn't poke a hole through it. And then I just use paints from Home Depot or Lowe's. I order quarts of acrylic latex, and then I just pour them into ketchup squirt bottles, and I've been doing that for about 30 years. And here's some of my other art pieces I did during the winter in Mexico. I did a stingrays and a orca, and I think I'm going to do a donkey next or something for animals in the area. So a few weeks ago I bought a hot glue gun, and you can buy all different colors for the hot glue. So I bought black, and I painted this piece of plywood black, and I made the heart shape with the hot glue gun. Then I just painted some red and orange and pink acrylic paint right over it, and I thought I'd hang 3 of those in a row. So it's going to come out cool, and never had to pay for it except time. Have it pretty much done. I did it on plywood with a 1x1 frame behind it to give the illusion of the thickness of the canvas or the board. And this one I did earlier on this week. We still have to put the frame on the back, and we're gonna hang 3. So today at the Love Shack, Stephen just hung up some motion lights, so when people arrive late at night, they'll have some lights. And when somebody might buy it before we take it to Baja. Today I'm replacing the marker lights on my camper. They're pretty old, and the new ones are LED, and they got a black lens. So I put the forklift, well, I put the tractor with the forks right here, and then I'm just going to be climbing up there and changing the lights out. So it's hard to hold the camera while I'm doing this, but I've wired up most of the LED lights, positive to negative, and put some shrink tape here, and I'm going to solder them up and then screw them in. It's the 25th of June this evening, and it just got super cold. But check out the light. Anthony's almost done with that one space where Chad backed up his truck over the power pole. I went to Solano's this morning and paid for some electrical parts, and then I ordered some multiples off Amazon, which are much cheaper, just in case something like that happens. Most of the time we try to keep a good stock of things in the back workshop. Yeah, Anthony left the square intentionally instead of concrete. He's going to put wood there so if it breaks again, it's easy to pull the pipe out. Our friends Kevin and Donna recently bought a Brinkley fifth wheel. Brinkley's meant to be like way above the rest as far as quality and workmanship. I'm sure many of you know that modern RVs are just built like absolute crap. So Brinkleys are getting kind of popular, and quite a few people have had them in the RV park this summer. Hopefully in the next few weeks I can do a walkthrough of Kevin and Donna's Brinkley. They're really nice inside. And then there's a third one over here. Kind of cool having 3 Brinkleys in the park at one time. And then a few weeks ago we spent a few $1,000s on getting 7 mini splits for all the A-frames. One of the mini splits was defective, so we had to send the whole thing back, but we threw the box away. So yesterday Anthony and Stephen just made a wooden frame around the mini split, and then they just got I bought some cardboard at the hardware store and they just stapled it on, made their own box. Those of y'all that have been here before, you know how protective we are about our grass, because grass is one of the biggest attractions for our guests in the park. So we don't allow wood fires over the grass. If you bring a propane fire pit, we let you use it on gravel or the grass because it doesn't get hot underneath. But along our driveway, we've built over the years these fire pits which we can loan you. You just pick it up with your pickup truck and you take it to your spot, you fill it up with wood, as long as it's not on the grass. Gravel or concrete is no problem. And it would be nice if you just drop it off at the end of your stay, and it's kind of nice, so you don't have to bring your own fire pit.
One spot.
Oh, you place. This is the tension.
Yep.
You're just dragging it?
Just rubbing on the wood.
So we got 2 public dump stations over here. One of them, somebody must have thrown a pine cone or a rock. We try to do it with a snake, and we have to basically jackhammer the whole concrete up to get to the blockage. Anthony put a cone over there with a sign that says "Do not use out of order." So apparently some guy just dumped in there, and there's a bunch of crap everywhere, and he says he's not responsible. What's up?
Who's the idiot that did that one?
This guy.
I did.
No, I'm not. Dumping right here.
So I need you to pay. You got to pay for somebody to clean that up. Otherwise, you're welcome to do it yourself. We can give you the tools and brooms and stuff.
Okay.
But it clearly says out of order.
I know. I didn't see it,
All right.
and that's the only place I had dumped before. I'm
All
really
right.
sorry.
No problem. All right.
Hey.
Yeah.
I can do that after I dump.
All right. Cool. Thanks. We'll get something.
So we hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you next time.